Sumbut mitang ba ka jela beri pek tanat berudi ba Prestone tensang la pentip hapok ing de ba tau ai minta kasngi ba ka soka ka siam jing ban sina ya ka Surok ba penyai na jerong ne elevated road ban yai na rat umroi syadu Maulai te hadu Rilbong ula ong ba na ka daw jong kani ke jing menta ka suka kadang wat sakwai pat kalat kata kalong ban sina full lane lani ban Pynheh no tang ka double lane ka ba he khat almita mar ba haki thai Maulai ka don sibun ki jing ban penia ya ka Surok ya kani ra jubab ho jing kli ba wan ra do Maulai ba bright stowel mal banyang menta ka sengi hapo ing do ba thawa
in progress and no NH6 is passing through Baisa.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to apologize. Maybe there is a typing mistake as far as the National Highway 6 is concerned. It is National 106. I think the Honorable Minister from the principal question might have got the idea as far as the question is concerned. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, as we are all aware that Shillong faces massive traffic congestion. So my question is, how wide or the right of way is the National Highway 106 from Umiam Bridge to Mawlai petrol pump?
At Umroi, up to the Rilbong point, we have so much challenges in widening the road. Of course, this subject, in fact, it has been already transferred to NHITCL. We have already handed over to NHITCL, right from Lat Umroi, again up to the connecting point of 106. So now the decision that we have taken right now, recently we had a meeting with NHITCL to do the survey of this entire stretch, because initially we would like to have the elevated route all along, but the technical survey done by the NHITCL found that elevated road is not feasible. So the second option, we go for the four lane, which will be also converted into greenfield project altogether. And the third option, because right now we are still examining and do the surveying, which one is the best option. And the third option is double lane, standard double lane, 12 meters with ROW. So these are the options, sir. Right now we have two options. The option number one, elevated road, is not feasible. Then now we are examining the option 2 and the option 3. But certainly, sir, widening will happen once these two options is finalized. To have problem again. In fact, we are still in the negotiation with one of the landowner, which is right to the junction itself. If we are able to get that portion, maybe we will be able to ultimately improve that junction to avoid any challenges in the movement of the traffic over there, sir. The stretch right from Lat Umroi up to the connecting point of 106. In fact, sir, we have already had a proposal for widening of the road with that two option formula that we have. One is 4-lane greenfield project, and number 2 is 2-lane with 12 meters ROW. So right now, sir, we are examining, because taking into the importance of the traffic volume, coming and going out of Shillong is huge. So therefore, sir, right now, the stage is that we are going to finalize very soon once the detailed survey is done by the NHITCL, sir.
So, may I know from the